Keep your property healthy with Vonkys water filtration and irrigation systems. At Vonkys Maintenance Services, we understand the importance of clean water and proper irrigation for your property. That's why we offer a range of water filtration and irrigation systems to keep your property healthy and thriving. Our water filtration systems use advanced technology to filter out impurities and contaminants, providing you with clean and safe drinking water. Our irrigation systems, on the other hand, ensure that your plants and vegetation receive the proper amount of water, keeping them healthy and vibrant. Our systems are easy to install and maintain, and they're designed to be energy efficient, saving you money on your utility bills. We offer a variety of options to fit your specific needs, whether you're looking for a basic system for your home or a more advanced system for your business. At Vonkys Maintenance Services, we're committed to providing our customers with the highest level of service and support. We offer professional installation and maintenance services to ensure that your water filtration and irrigation systems operate at peak performance. Invest in a water filtration or irrigation system today and keep your property healthy and thriving. Contact Vonkys Maintenance Services to learn more about our systems and how they can benefit your property. Contact us at 0817441106. Thanks for watching.